Delicious keto avocado pudding recipe. This keto-friendly version is not only low in carbohydrates but also rich in healthy fats, making it an excellent choice for anyone following a low-carb lifestyle. Ingredients: 1. 2 ripe avocados. 2. 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 3. ½ cup coconut milk or almond milk. 4. 2 to 3 tablespoons of erythritol or any keto-friendly sweetener. 5. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 6. A pinch of salt. 7. Optional toppings: chopped nuts, coconut flakes, or berries. Instructions: 1. Select ripe avocados. Start by choosing ripe avocados. They should feel slightly soft when gently pressed. Cut the avocados in half, remove the pits, and scoop out the flesh. 2. Blend the ingredients. In a blender or food processor, combine the avocado flesh, unsweetened cocoa powder, coconut or almond milk, erythritol, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. 3. Adjust the texture. For a thicker pudding, add less milk. For a creamier, more fluid pudding, add a bit more milk until you reach the desired consistency. 4. Chill the pudding. Transfer the pudding into a bowl or individual serving dishes. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This step is essential as it allows the flavors to meld together and the pudding to thicken slightly. 5. Serve with toppings. Sprinkle with chopped nuts for a crunchy texture, coconut flakes for a tropical twist, or fresh berries for a burst of natural sweetness. Nutritional benefits: healthy fats. Avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats, which are heart healthy and beneficial for maintaining good cholesterol levels. Low in carbohydrates. This recipe is designed to be low in carbs, making it suitable for a ketogenic diet. Rich in nutrients. Avocados are packed with vitamins and minerals, including potassium, which is essential for maintaining electrolyte balance on a keto diet. Customization tips: vegan variation. For a vegan version, ensure that the milk used is plant-based, like almond or coconut milk. Sweetener options. Feel free to experiment with different keto-friendly sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, or allulose. Flavor variations. You can add different flavors to your avocado pudding, such as a dash of cinnamon, a spoonful of peanut butter, or even a few drops of mint extract for a refreshing twist. Whether you're following a strict ketogenic diet or simply looking for a healthier dessert alternative, this recipe is sure to satisfy your cravings. Enjoy this guilt-free indulgence that's both delicious and nutritious.